Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing how I made the advanced search process. So yeah, first up we go to our web page, and after we sign in you can see advanced button right here beside the search button. Let's go click it and it'll bring us to the advanced search option right here, and then we can type a keyword like that iPhone search, and iPhone 12, 14, etc. will be searched, and then we can type category phone. We can type Samsung. I can type Z Flip search Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, and I can select the model. Galaxy S22. I'm gonna type 22 and S22. As you guys see, just like that. I select condition new. Select color purple. Search and none. Just like that. And yeah, let's see how this works, guys. Yeah, let's get into the code. Alright, first up, as you guys can see, we require the connection of PHP. Connection of PHP is required for everything in this web page, otherwise it won't work. Then we have started PHP, and we have require connection of PHP. We have var, t, cat, vm, etc. Condition, color, price to sort. Every variable that we can see here, every model, every variable we can see right here and over here on our select boxes and choices. As you guys see, everything is right here, the dollar sign, and it says basically for us to search the query to select from products from our database, and the status is 0. If sort equals 0, that means where title, it means the, if it is empty, so 0 equals 0. So sort equals 0, meaning if it is empty, that means nothing will be searched. That means no item searched yet. As you guys can see, no item searched yet. If empty txt query equals where title like txt status equals 1. If status equals 2, category 0, 0, query where category id equals category, status equals 1. And then else if status equals 0, category equals 0, query and category id equals category, means is category id from our database equals to the category option right over here, guys. Next, if brand equals 0, brand rs database search, select from brand has model and brand id to select it there and fit it with our advanced search coding, and to plop it down right over here as the brand, so you guys can see. And yeah, next up we have put if brand is 0 and model is 0, database search from brand has and brand number, brand r is equal number of rows. For x equals 0, and if x is smaller than number of brand number x plus plus, brand data equals brand rs and fetches the associate assets. And if pid brand underscore data id, then we have closed it, and then we have if status equals 0, query searches from brand has model id status 1, else if status 0 and brand has model id. Next, we have our coding database searches, selects from, we searches our database from the brand has model where id equals model, etc. If query status is 0, it searches brand has model id. If 1, it's only, it searches both of them apart, just like brand has model and model id. If status is 0, it searches brand has model id is the combined version of those two. And yeah, next we have brand has model database searches, selects from brand has model where brand id equals brand and brand number as the number of rows. And yeah, Then the same thing for conditions, same thing for the color. Basically everything in our database gets copied to here, so we can select it and get this sort and get the it sorted out and search it up, and it will come just like this, the price. And yeah, next we have where title order by price as status equals 1, else if price low to high, sort equals 3, sort equals 4. This all the sort options, sort 3, 4 and 2, just like that. And then we have sent it in the post method for page and page and non paginations, and we have done it to post method page else pagination 1, which is the default pagination. Product RS database search from query if the product number is equal to the product rows, and if the product RS is higher than the number of rows, resource per page is 10. Number of pages equals product number divided by the resource per page, and yeah, pagination or resource per page. Database searches query and resource number equals, basically the same thing over there. And yeah, so a lot of coding involved in that. We can success, we have span class, 10 items left. Basically everything as you guys see. I'll just search iPhone real quick. Search. You guys see 10 items left, 10 items left. As you guys see right there, said that 10 items left. Buy now, add to cart, as you guys see. Buy now, add to cart buttons, two buttons here, as you guys see. And yeah, add to cart, and then you have close the div, and yeah, that's about it. And then you have a class, build a div class for pagination, and pagination, if pagination is lower than 1, echo hashtag else on click advanced search, process advanced search, and we have open another PHP echo pagination 1. And yeah, now let's take a look at our script. Alright guys, you guys see we have our script.js open, and the function advanced search x var variable local variable text document get element by id t, category C1, brand B, model M, condition C2, color C3, etc. And same thing for here, appended T, cat B. This is what I said in the beginning. Var x equals HTML, XML, HTTP request already static function. That means when clicked or when interacted it will change function state. If our state ready changes 4, var text respond, document get one id view area in the HTML. R dot open post in the post method, it will open advanced search process.php equals true and sends a function and loads the main image id, which is this image. If we don't have anything such, this image will be loaded, no item selected yet. And yeah, and yeah, and yeah, next we have function load main image. That is what I just mentioned. Yeah, background image equals url im plus img plus space. Function check value y input document get quantity input, alert quantity must be one or more. If we don't enter a quantity, uh and yeah, that's how it comes. As you guys see, sort by quantity high to low search. And yeah, next up we have if input value 0, quantity must be 1 or low quantity, maximum quantity achieved, etc. Function quantity, we have another function quantity ing or input get element by the quantity input, and it will else maximum quantity has been achieved, etc. What basically what I said up here, maximum quantity we have said before. Now coding has once it's achieved, it will say maximum quantity achieved, and we can't search further beyond that limit. And yeah, and the this quantity must be 1, 0 cannot be a quantity, it is not a valid number, so cannot be searched. And yeah, that is how I added and programmed the advanced search process my web page, guys. And yeah, See you in the next one.